Hi everyone, welcome to MaxLaser's YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed how to insert the cartridge correctly into your Bentsai B2 Lite handheld inkjet printer. Today I'm going to show you how to print a QR code. Let's go. The first thing that you're going to do is switch on your unit. You'll see the red light turns green. Next, you're going to take off your cover. Side note, this sponge helps your ink nozzle not to run dry. On the top left of the screen, you're going to click Edit. Then here you can see the options that you have. You have text, QR code, barcode, and more. Today we're going to do the QR code. And here you can write in your text that you want. I'm going to say hello. Here you can see your QR code and you can change your size if you want to. Let's make it 10 and press confirm and you're ready to print. And that's it for today. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to print a barcode on your unit. See you there.